Hey guys, Scott Montgomery, the Landscape Networker, coming to you from LandDesignNetwork.com. We have a bad case of the bagworms here on these juniper, and I've noticed on the property, they hit conifers, and what they are, the little caterpillar, and as the season progresses, they get larger and larger, and they actually start to defoliate and eat the plant, and eventually it'll kill it. So as you can see, we have a plethora of little sacs right here. I'm gonna come right in onto them. Now these babies are going to have caterpillars, and right now you can see the new growth coming out. So what we want to do is we want to spray a horticultural oil on these plants to help save these guys. Because if you don't save them, if you don't get the bagworms, they will completely destroy the plant. And as you can see, all this damage we have already. You can come around the plant, you can see they've totally infested these juniper. All right, you can see this side completely destroying the plants. So in essence, again, it comes back to, do you have a professional on your property looking at things like this? Because if I didn't catch this, they would have lost all these juniper. Now, fortunately enough, you can see the sides of this property. Now, they don't really hit Colorado spruce very often. They hit your junipers, they hit Leyland cypress, arborvitae, so on and so forth. But you can see the backyard, they have plenty to eat here. So, and there's other issues going on in the property that I've noticed. So, long and short of it is, make sure you're paying attention, right? And, you may not know the warning signs until it's too late. So, what I like you to do now, if you do have juniper or anything, take a walk outside, and they're very noticeable. You can see, let's pan in again, they're little bags. All right, I'm not going to cut them open right now, just for the sake of, actually, what do we got here? What do we got right here? Let's see this. There's one. Oh, they're out. This guy right here, wait, where's the camera? Here we go. Little guy in the end right there. They are out and they are feeding. So this process will go on all summer long, and if we don't hit the process, if we don't hit it, with an insecticide, it's going to completely take over these plants. So with that said, subscribe to my channel. If you're in the New Jersey area, call me 973-476-4863. I'll be sure I can try to get out to you to inspect if you have this problem, or I can just take care of it for you. If you're not, here's a tip for you, free tip. Go outside, check your junipers. All right, with that said, the Landscape Networker is out. I hope you have an awesome day. Find me on Facebook and Twitter. Take care.